Hello all, in this video let's see how we can change the multiple values. For example, let's take an example here. So in the sheet 1 I do have names Raju, Mahesh and Sai, and I want to update if it is a Raju I have to mention like Raju Pujala. If it is Mahesh I would like to update Mahesh Chavadam. If it is Sai I would like to mention Chai Chaganti. So let's see how we can achieve this one using the Excel VBA. So for that let's quickly click on the developer tab here, add-on, and click on Visual Basic. Okay, this is the previous program I'm deleting. I'm not deleting, closing. Let's do this one. I want to create a new module and I would like to rename this as change multiple values. This is so small. I know the font, but I can't enlarge this one. I'm so sorry. um, there is no feature to analyze that one, so let's start this one. So start with the sub change multiple values. Okay, so let's declare a variable as a ws as variant. Okay, and set ws is equal to this workbook dot sheets of. I have data in my sheet 1. So I would like to have the error handling concepts here, so that if the sheet 1 is not available it will not throw any error. And I'm resetting the error handling whatever I have mentioned over here, go to 0. So now starting from here, if I have any run, if I write any type of mistakes or coding mistakes, it will generate the runtime errors. And so first of all I have to check if the sheet 1 is there, go into this one. So if not, ws is nothing. So basically if ws is nothing means if the sheet is not available, and not is opposite to that. Okay, so basically the sheet is available, go into this one. And if, and now, so first thing what we can notice here, first of all we have to find how many, what is the last row. Like is here it is a 4. I can't write it like a 4 because whenever we program we have to make it a dynamic one. So let's take two variables here, dim count rows and the last row as long. Okay, so let's do this one. Mm, count rows is equal to ws dot rows dot count. So basically what this returns is nothing but the number 1048576. Let's quickly see it's correct or not. I'm copying this one, debug dot print this one. Let's run, see, it has returned this value. But I'm interested to know how what is the last row where the data is filled. So last row is equal to, I already declared the variable here, is equal to ws dot cells count rows. I'm looking in the first column dot and excel up, sorry, dot row. Now let's see what is the last row where the data is filled. Click on that, you can see it is a 4. Okay, this is, so far this is good. This is how we can use the debug print to, while debugging, to understand what's been happening with the code. And now I have 4 which I got to know. Now let's do the for loop. So dim I for I is equal to, I want to exclude the header, so first is the header, let's exclude. So starting from 2, I is equal to 2 to 4, right? 4 is nothing but the last row here, last row. For always should end with next I. Okay, so now what is the current value? So let's take one more variable here, dim current name as string. Okay, so current name is equal to ws dot cells I comma 1 dot value. So this prints the value. For example, if you do this debug dot print current name, so this prints the values like Raju, Mahesh, Sai. Okay, this is okay. Let's clear this one. Let's see this one. Change multiple values. Let's run Sai and Mahesh. Now, if it is Rajiv, then I want to print this Raju Puchala, right? So I'm deleting this one. If if current name is equal to Rajiv, then we have to end with end if. Okay, so if it is Rajiv, I wanted this cell which is like 2 comma 2, second row and second column. So ws dot cells 2 comma 2 dot value is equal to Rajiv Puchala. Okay, let's run this one, and now you can see it as a bit Rajiv Puchala. What about these two? Let's do this one. Okay, else if current name is equal to Mahesh, then ws dot cells 2 3 comma 2, which is third row and second column, dot value is equal to Mahesh Chavadam, and else if current name is equal to Sai, then ws dot cells. So this is the fourth row and second column, 4 comma 2 dot value is equal to Sai ch. Let's see. Okay, and for this and if here if the sheet is available, then this one, and if in case if the sheet is not available, else debug dot print sheet 1 not found. Okay, now this is the whole entire program. If in case if you wanna see, this is the whole program. Now let's run this one. Okay, here okay, it has updated ICH codes as well. I guess it's because of too many codes. Let's delete this one. Let's clear the data, and let's run this one. So this is how you can change or make tweaks to the existing data. Thank you for watching this video.